Look at the split screen here. On the left, HTML can seem like a disorganized collection of loose tags, but on the right, the browser interprets that code as a strict logical hierarchy known as the Document Object Model, or DOM. To build that hierarchy, we start at the top. Early web browsers needed to know exactly which rules a document followed. Today, the doctype HTML declaration is mostly a historical artifact, a simple handshake telling the browser to expect modern HTML5. Immediately below that, we declare the root element, the HTML tags. Every single piece of your website nests inside this foundational wrapper. We also add a lang attribute to ensure search engines index the page correctly and screen readers pronounce the text properly. This singular root establishes the strict architectural hierarchy required for every production-ready web page. Inside that root, the document immediately splits into two distinct sections. The first is the head. Think of this as the invisible brain of the document. It is strictly reserved for critical metadata, not the user-facing content. If you forget to give this brain the right instructions, things break. Without explicitly telling the browser how to translate the code into characters, foreign languages and emojis can render as a scrambled, unreadable mess. We fix this by adding a meta tag that defines the character set as UTF-8. This universally resolves rendering issues across almost all human-written languages. The rules established here in the dark determine exactly how the rest of your data will be parsed and understood. Next, add the title tag to populate the browser tab. We also define a meta description, used by search engines to generate preview snippets. For styling, we link external CSS using a link tag. To add interactivity, we attach JavaScript using a script tag. Before we move to the visible content, pause the video. Take 15 seconds to type out this entire root and head section for memory. It is a pattern you will use on every project. A properly configured head section connects your standalone HTML file to the broader web ecosystem of search engines, style sheets, and browsers. With the metadata handled, we open the body element. This canvas is where all visible content and user interactions live. Inside, you place structural elements like an H1 block for your main heading or emphasis tags to emphasize text. When the browser reads this file, it applies the hidden rules from the head to render the elements in the body, giving you your final web page. Looking at this diagram, you can see how the completed boilerplate maps perfectly to the document object model. The root HTML element splits neatly into the invisible rule-setting head and the highly visible content-rich body. Internalizing this exact skeleton is your absolute prerequisite for building any robust, production-ready